Hi everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing the Beyerdynamic Phonum. This is a wireless Bluetooth speakerphone system for home conferencing or small business conferencing. It's battery powered, so you can actually take it on trips, or if you're planning on doing a lot of video conferencing, you can just use this in the office too, plugged in. It has a 2-inch speaker that downfires the audio out of the device, and then the microphones are built into the top up here. So right here is the power button. We'll turn it on.
Battery 60%.
And it has a USB-C port right here, and it has an NFC tag right here, so you can tag it to your devices much quicker. This is all Bluetooth enabled. The battery in here lasts up to 12 hours, which is great. You can have it set up to follow somebody. There's 3 modes. So if someone's walking around the room, it will know to switch to different microphones at the top and listen to you closer than using a microphone over here, let's say. And then it has a function where if it's just one person speaking, it's going to fix on that person and that microphone. That way all the other noises and everything that it's picking up with the other microphones won't actually go through the call. And then there is a 360 mode where all of the microphones will pick up the different people talking automatically. It has automatic gain and volume control. So if you have 2 different speakers and the first one's loud, it will adjust that, and if the second speaker is not so loud, it will adjust the volume up higher so the other end can hear each person more clearly. Get you some more details about the speaker itself here and what it can do. You can pause this video anytime and take a look, but the main features is that it can last up to 12 hours, and that USB-C port is great for recharging, and you can connect it to your computer as well. So this can work with your phone, this can work with Zoom calls, it can work with Skype for business, and multiple WebEx platforms. And this is the Phonum by Beyerdynamic. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.